Hi, today we're going to be discussing Windows 8.1, some applications and features. Now, back in 2012, Microsoft had a very slim market share of the mobile devices. It was only about 1%, and they had realized they had kind of dropped the ball, so having a solid offering with Windows 7, they decided to, for their next operating system release, Windows 8, to try and consolidate that interface across all devices, tablets, phones, and the desktop. It was a bold move, but it didn't really translate very well, and well, it got quite a backlash from both consumers and the business market, with even worse sales than before, and Windows 8 adoption has lagged behind even Vista operating system. Now, Windows 8 did offer some new things. The interface was completely redesigned, called Metro. It was well suited for tablets and smartphones with swipeable gestures and navigation with buttons. Lots of new features, and like I said, it was designed to consolidate that user experience across laptops, tablets, desktops, and smartphones. One of the new applications we're going to be getting into is the new Task Manager, which is greatly improved over Windows 7 version, which is already a nice improvement. Has a new interface. Lots of the processes are color shaded. The processes are grouped into three categories: applications, background processes, and Windows processes, instead of being lumped all together as they were previously. The contextual menus from the right mouse click now have options to search the internet for anything that you're clicking on. The network tab displays IP address, workgroup, network type, and the amount of data sent and received. Before, you had to open up a completely different control panel to get that information. Another great new feature is being able to manage your startup items, and Services tab is now has a restart added in the contextual menu as well. Okay, we're going to take a very quick look at the new and improved Task Manager that comes with Windows 8. You can see it's got a new interface, lots of color shading. There's nested processes under each thing here. Go to the Performance tab. See that we've got a lot of information under each section that is bolded for quick reference, including your IP address, which was hidden before in the Ethernet category here. You can look at both CPU utilization and kernel information as well. Color-coded, very helpful. Under App History, now you can look at CPU time, network child updates, and see how much time has been taken up here. And you see the darker the shading, the more use it's gotten under that category. Also very new to Windows 8 is the ability to manage your startup items. This was not quite so easy in Windows 7. Users tab. Under Details, now right-click and search online to get more information about any of these details here. And with Services, you can now have the option to restart services, which was not available before. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the Toolbox application, which is available for free at the App store, and what it is a way to have several different panels that you can then choose widgets to have in them. Some widgets, most of the widgets are free, some are paid for. So what you do is you choose the layout you want to have, maybe a 3-panel layout in this case, and the widgets will all load, and you can choose what you want to have. So I'll put the web in one, maybe a calculator in another, and converter in another. So it's an easy way to just put a lot of tools and helpful spaces on your screen, and you can save your layouts individually. So that's pretty nice. Next, we'll be taking a look at Microsoft's OneNote. It's a note-taking application that synchronizes across all your devices and allows you to incorporate web clippings, photos, email, contact lists. You can store all the notes and organize them into albums with different sections, social media aware. Finally, we'll take a look at Microsoft's OneNote, which is a note-taking application well suited for tablets and touchscreen laptops for using a stylus to take notes, handwritten notes. You can also incorporate web clippings, photos, email, contact lists, social media, such as Twitter and Facebook. You can organize your notes into albums, and the albums can have specific sections. So it's pretty handy here when you